Hey, it's Katie here with some of my favorite Usborne nonfiction titles. There are so many you can choose from. I really like the Look Inside book. So this one is about space. There are tons of different flaps, and there's actually even flaps within flaps that give you tons of information. So this one's all about space. So lots of different titles in the Look Inside series. There's one here that's Look Inside Your Body. If there's a nonfiction topic that one of your children is interested in, chances are pretty good that there's one of the Look Insides about it. If you want to kind of take it to the next step and have a book that has a bit more text and more information, you can do the See Inside. So this one here is See Inside the Weather and Climate. My personal favorite is See Inside How Things Work. So this book is a little bit bigger. It's still a board book, so it's pretty sturdy. And there's still kind of questions and answers and flaps that explain how things work. So like getting going, this one's really cool. This tells you exactly how a car works. Or over here, how does a bicycle work? How do the gears work? The making music one is really cool. You can lift the flaps to learn about the different instruments. So the See Inside books are really awesome. They're just kind of a step up from the Look Inside books, and there's tons of information in these. I also really like just the Lift the Flap books. This one is the Picture Atlas, which teaches about geography really well. And it kind of, each page has a different continent, and there's flaps that you can lift that tell information about them. And then there's pictures as well. Just the pictures without the flaps have lots of information. So, and this one also in the back has a really big map of the world fold out. So really cool, informative book. I like the question and answer Lift the Flap book. So this one is all about animals, and it just kind of takes a more simplistic question and then asks a bunch of questions about different animals. So why? Why do frogs jump? Lift the flap, find the answer. Why do millipedes have so many legs? Or yes or no, can penguins fly? Are there animals on other planets? So these books are really fun for those kids that are super inquisitive and ask lots of questions. Again, tons of different titles in this series as well. The animals one is really fun. If you're looking to move away from board books and have books that are a little more factual, the Usborne Beginner series is really awesome. So this one is about weather, and it just starts to introduce some more text features. So there's a table of contents, and as you can see, there's a little more text on the pages. There's still really great illustrations, but there's a wide range of topics in these books as well. So this is the series. There's lots about animals. There's a sharks one here. So this is just for as children get older. So that's the Usborne Beginners. The Usborne Discovery then kind of takes it to the next level. So this one is about dinosaurs, and this just gets a little bit more information. So as you can see, there's significantly more text on the page than in the Beginners. Still introducing new text features. They also have internet links on some of the pages of things that you can go visit. So tons of information in the Usborne Discovery books too. Again, tons of different titles of different topics. And one of my absolute all-time personal favorites is the Big Book of the Body. And there's other big books as well. But what's super cool about these ones is it kind of goes through and describes a little bit about the body. And then there's also 4 huge fold-outs in these books. So that makes it really fun and is what makes it the Big Book of the Body. So there's just a sneak peek into some of the amazing nonfiction titles that Usborne has.